Hello guys, what is going on? Techroomuk here. So for today's video we have a DisplayPort cable. This is a cable from a company called SILKLAND. The specs are DisplayPort 2.1 at 80 gigabytes a second data transfer speed, so it can support the latest and the greatest monitor with the greatest image fidelity. So basically it comes in this pouch, and inside we have specification card, user guide. So if I zoom in, DisplayPort 2.1, 80 gigabytes a second, so user manual, and this is how the cable looks like. As you can see, we have a VESA certified DisplayPort certification sticker right here, and the cable is braided. It actually feels a really good quality. Even the ends are made out of metal. I really like the color scheme, the orange on the DisplayPort itself. It looks really nice. And yeah, pretty much that's it. That's how it comes. I'm going to go ahead now and pair it with an RTX 5090 Founders Edition and a 240 Hz 4K OLED monitor that supports Dolby Vision and HDR. So basically I'll put this cable to its absolute limit. It's not many other specs you can do higher than that. The best graphics card and one of the best monitors on the market with all the bells and whistles. I really hope this cable will do all that. And yeah, I just want to go ahead and put it to the test. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Okay, so I have plugged in the cable, everything is installed from my GPU to my monitor, and I have done some settings and I am really impressed. Let me show you guys the display settings. So this is my secondary display, and the cable is plugged in. As you can see, it supports 4K resolution, and if we go to advanced display right here, we have 4K resolution at 240 Hz 0.02. Obviously you can change it, but this cable can do 240 Hz 4K to its absolute limit of this monitor. Bit depth, it's 10 bits. HDR, it's enabled, and it also supports Dolby Vision, which is also enabled right now. So it's kind of the best HDR 4K you can get in this moment with an OLED monitor. Everything looks really nice and crisp. I absolutely love it. Everything feels really smooth. 240 Hz, obviously you can't really see it with the naked eye, but you'll be able to tell it in games, especially in high competitive games. So I want to show you guys some game footage now, and I was thinking about playing some Fortnite. Let's see how much FPS we can get with Fortnite cranked to the max, everything on Epic, with this cable on with Dolby Vision as well, Dolby Vision HDR. So let's go ahead and do that, waiting for Fortnite to start up. It's only gonna take a second. There we go. Haven't played Fortnite in a while, but I just want to see how everything looks like with this cable, with an RTX 5090, with a 4K 240 Hz OLED monitor with Dolby Vision. So we're gonna do some zero build. Just gonna press play. All the settings are at max. Epic, 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 epic. Yeah, basically it's cranked to the absolute max. Let's just wait to find a server so we can play. It should put us in a game straight away. There we go. Fortnite is pretty quick with its lobbies. And now we're just waiting. Let's see. We should have an FPS monitor, obviously, on the corner. That I want to see what's the maximum FPS I can get as well, because I haven't played Fortnite in a while. Preparing shaders. I guess that's what happens when you don't play in a while. It just takes a minute to load everything, especially when you play at epic graphics. Let's give it a minute. So we're getting about 100 to 130 FPS, everything to epic in 4K HDR, which looks really great in my opinion. I mean, the graphics are absolutely amazing. I have no idea what I'm doing. I haven't played Fortnite in years, but it's a pretty popular game. Let's go somewhere quiet because I don't wanna die straight away. So yeah, right here we're getting about 100 FPS, which is great. So yeah, pretty much that's it. This is how Fortnite looks. Everything on epic. Oh wow, I didn't even know this was possible. I haven't played this game in so long. We got a kill. Let's see if we can finish this other guy up. And yeah, pretty much that's it. This is a blaster from Star Wars. And we got another gun right here. Okay. Pretty much that's it. Yeah, everything works. Everything works. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. It's a really good cable. If you guys want to buy it, I will have a link in the video description down below. You can buy it. You can buy it from Amazon. And yeah, pretty much that's it with the video. Thank you guys very much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.